Hey y'all, hey, today is April the 14th, and today's the birthday of a couple of friends of mine on Facebook, and they're also people that I work with. Well, one of them I used to work with, but he's retired, and that's Freddy Prosser. So Freddy, just want to wish you a happy birthday today. And the other one is Toast Chainsaw Newton. So Chainsaw, just want to wish you a happy birthday today as well. And on your birthday, you deserve a blue ribbon. A Pabst blue ribbon, that is. Cheers. Oh, it's cold. Ooh. That's so cold, make my mouth numb. That gum is cold. Whoo. Freddy, Chainsaw, hope y'all have a great day today. Happy birthday, guys.